Module 5, Lesson 9, Part 2, Example 2, page S42. Calculate the area of the polygon using two different methods. You don't need to do two different methods. You can find the area drawing a rectangle around it like we did in the previous lesson and subtracting those triangles off, or you can split it up like I did. I have two triangles and a rectangle in the middle. So I'm going to call this one shape 1, 2, and 3. 3 and 1 should be the same. So we'll see. So the base of this is from A to E. I'm going to use absolute value because it's just really hard to see and I want to make sure that I have the right points. So E is at 1, 2, 3, 4. E is at 4, -1, and A is at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is at 4, 5. Same side subtract, different add. So this is 6 units. And then E to D, D is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D is at 8, -1. So if I cancel those out and use the 8 and the 4, same sign subtract, that would be 4 units. This is very small. So this is a 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just to check, by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really hard to see, I know. So the area for shape 2 is 6 times 4, and I'm not dividing by 2 because it is a rectangle, 24 units. I'm going to put 24 in here, circle it. Now let's see if the base is the same. So this base is going to be the same as that, so it's 6, and the height is 2. So shape 1 and 3 are the same. So the base of it is it shares the base of the height of the rectangle, so it's 6 times 2, which is divided by 2 because it's a triangle. 6 times 2 is 12, divided by 2 is 6 units. 6 units and 6 units. 24 and 12. So the area equals, I have to add 24 and 12 because I have to add 6 plus 24 plus 6. That's going to be 6 and 36. 36 units squared. Now it wants me to compare the structure of the expressions, and I know that what I would do, the structure of the expressions, if this one I'm adding, I'm combining and using multiplication. If I drew triangles or a rectangle around it and found the area of all the triangles, my expression would be different because I would be subtracting and multiplying. I would be multiplying first and subtracting for the rectangle around it. And for the one I used multiplication and then I combined them, so I added. So that's the difference in the structure of the expressions. Okay, let's move on. Determine the area of the following shapes. Okay, so I think now I am going to definitely use, because I don't want to, if I divide this up, I'm going to have 2 triangles, 4 triangles, and 3 rectangles. Not having it. So I'll just solve it using this way because all of my triangles are going to be the same area. They should be. 3 by 3, 3 by 3. They're all 3 by 3, base and height. So I'm going to find the area of this whole rectangle. So